How to do email marketing part 3. Make sure you go and check part 1 and 2 before watching this video. So once somebody has gone through your welcome email sequence, which would be between 11 to 17 touchpoint emails with the special PS at the bottom, you're going to have some people that have purchased, yay, and you're going to have some people that haven't yet made that buying decision. So those people that have not yet made those buying decision, you're going to add an action at the bottom of your welcome sequence, which will send them to a new workflow, a brand new sequence. And this sequence I call the ongoing nurture sequence. And this is when you're going to basically continue the same process as we did in step 2, which is going to be sending a helpful weekly tip that's practical, that's useful, that they can implement and get something done or checked off of their list in your area of expertise, with, again, the PS at the bottom of that email that shows them how you can help them get that thing done. Now, every time you create a piece of social media content, you are going to go back into your email marketing system, I use TekMatix, and go into your ongoing nurture sequence and add a new email onto the thread, onto the series of emails. So every piece of content you're creating on your socials is then going to be part of your ongoing nurturing process in the back end of your email software. So basically what will happen over time is all of the leads that are coming in through your social media content that has a call to action will be sent into your welcome sequence. If they don't buy from that first sequence, they're going to then be put in a forever ongoing nurture sequence that then you basically just keep in until they purchase the program, the product, or the service that you hope that they will go on and buy. And this basically can get bigger and bigger and bigger over time. I've been adding to mine for years, to the point at which now when someone joins my email list, there's like 5 years worth of nurture emails that are going to go out to them in time. So it becomes this massive system that, quite frankly, is a bit of a succession plan. I always say, if for any reason I wasn't around tomorrow, my business could continue selling without me for the next 5 years, which is, I'm hoping someone would have found someone to replace my AF by then, right? So it can be quite clever for all kinds of reasons. Now, if you need help mastering your emails, setting up your email tech, creating your workflows for you, helping you craft those sequences and workflows and tech behind the scenes, I love that tech stuff and I'd love to do it for you. So do get in touch, comment below, or come and join my email mastery workshops and get those in the comments. I'll see you there.